Hey guys, okay, real life moment, real life video, real life. So while you're watching this, I'm on vacation. Whew, words. So I'm literally like packing for vacation right now. Clothes. And I always try to pre-film for when I'm away. I'm going on my family vacation next week. We go down to the Cape for a week every summer. You guys probably know this if you have been watching me for a while. But I always like to try to have something for you guys to watch while I am gone and not leave you hanging. I will be vlogging while I'm away too, so don't you worry about that. And hello if you're new. My name is Alex. Welcome. So I placed a beautiful order on Sephora.com. So I'm very excited to open this. I reordered some favorites. I ordered some new things that I was dying to try. I also am definitely going to be doing a get ready with me, trying all this out in the future. So make sure you're subscribed and come back. So like I said, I'm packing. I'm on the floor. I have not a lot of time right now. I'm running a little bit crazy and behind. So I thought we could at least hang out and check this stuff out together, maybe swatch some things. Ooh, look at all this. Ooh, oh my god, I'm so excited. I can't even do my accent. So we have quite a lot of stuff here. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So I've also been watching a lot more like beauty gurus and stuff lately. I kind of go through phases where I watch like just vloggers and then like beauty gurus. I don't know. I'm kind of all over the place. So I've been watching a lot of beauty gurus, and when some of my favorites order like or use certain things and they have like favorites, I'm like, I have to try it. So there's a couple things I ordered from like people that I love and watch, and just some new things. So okay, so I'm just gonna like go right through this. We have a lot here. So this first thing here is something that Manny MUA loves and uses constantly, so I was like, I'm gonna try it. It's the Tatcha Silk Canvas Filter Finish Protective Primer. He like raves about it. Tatcha is such a good brand. I love their water cream. I feel like I've used some other like oil of theirs too. The products are really good. It's just supposedly like really like pore filling and blurring. Tatcha is, oh, they're so good. They are pricey though, so definitely not cheap, but I feel like you get a decent amount of product, so it looks. The packaging is always so nice with Tatcha. It's always just like very luxurious feeling. I also have kind of a cold right now. I just like I still wanted to film something. I'm not really feeling well and I'm just like, ugh. I always feel better when I film. Okay. Ooh, this is like nice packaging. So here is what the packaging looks like here. It's very like nice and heavy and strong feeling. It feels like you get a lot of product. So it's got that nice purple little ring to it. And this is what the product looks like. It's kind of just like a, oh, it smells good. Like a peachy, pale vanilla shade. So yeah, it's just like very, don't worry, my hands, well, they are clean for the most part. So this just feels, ooh, I can even see when I put it on my hand, it like smooths and blurs. So I'm very excited to try this on my face. Filter finish. I don't know. We're going to have to really see how it looks when we actually put it on. But this packaging is gorgeous and it just like feels so good. You know when makeup just feels so good in your hands? That probably sounds a little weird. Okay, then I also picked up a new beauty sponge. You guys know I really like the one from Fenty Beauty. This is the second time I've ordered it. I think I bought my last one like maybe 6 months ago-ish. So I just am buying a new one. I really, really like it. I almost like it more than the Beauty Blender. I don't know why. There's something about the texture of it. It just feels really like light and airy. I also like that it's like a nude shade, but when you like get this damp, it just feels very airy and light and it blends your makeup so nicely. So if you're looking for like a new beauty sponge, that's definitely one of my favorites. Try it out and see how you feel. Okay, next I got this face powder. I am in need of a more tan face powder for the summer because I am getting tan fairly quickly out of nowhere. I've been in the sun for like 10 minutes at a time and my skin's really weird on Accutane. So I picked up the Hello Flawless Benefit Custom Powder Cover-Up for Face in the shade Honey. So I want to either, I don't know if I'm going to put it in my purse yet or if I'm going to use it in my like makeup routine every day. I do need a new one for my purse, but I feel like I've seen a lot of people talk about this as like an OG favorite. So let's see how it looks inside. I don't have like a ton of Benefit products, so I'm kind of curious. The packaging is really cute. It says Hello Flawless. It has a nice big mirror, so as you can see, it's a more tan shade. And then underneath it has both a brush and a little sponge, so that's kind of cool. It's really nice. So we'll see how this is. Again, this is just like a little haul, but we will test things out like we do. Oh my god, I got my favorite chapstick. Guys, this is so good. Like, this is something I've repurchased many times. So this is from Sol de Janeiro. I don't know if I'm saying anything right. So this is the Brazilian Kiss lip butter. This stuff is magical. So they have like a whole line of like the Brazilian Kiss. I have the body spray, the body butter, and I don't think I bought the body wash, but I think that's gonna have to be something that I get next. This stuff smells so good. It's like almost beachy vanilla, like the beach meets vanilla. Like, I don't know, it's just so magical, and I love this, and my lips are so dry, of course. So it's a nice like chunky big chapstick. I love how big it is. Oh, I love that smell. It's so nice. It feels so good on your lips. If you're looking for a good chapstick, please try this. And I just love the body spray in the summer. It's so like summery and like sweet and sexy all at once. Oh my gosh. Okay, on to the next thing. I picked up from Tarte the new Creaseless Concealer. I believe this is very new. I got the shade Light Beige. I'm very excited to try this. I'm all about trying new concealers. The packaging is really nice. It's got kind of like this little floral at the top and some gold accents. And I'm all about creaseless concealers. Ooh, the wand is interesting. It's like a weird long doe foot. It's really long. Let's see, the coverage. Ooh, wow, it's kind of thick, but I'm kind of into it. It's like a nice, like I put barely any on and it definitely spread a lot, so you won't have to use a lot of product. Ooh, that's full coverage. This is very full coverage. And it does have that thicker consistency, so maybe it will kind of like plaster on and not move. That's what I'm hoping for this summer. We'll have to try this out. I'm very curious. Okay, so next I picked up a new mascara. This is not new. This was one of my favorite mascaras. Oops, yellow. Years ago, this was one of my favorites. This is the Urban Decay Perversion mascara. I got a sample of it in like a beauty box, or maybe, oh, I think I got it as actually like a reward or a sample or something. I think it was actually Ulta. So it's just like bigger, blacker, and badder. And it's just got a brush that looks like this. I just remember it was one of my favorites. And it kind of just came up as I was searching, and I was like, I forgot how much I loved that. I think I want to try it out again. I love to kind of go back to old favorites sometimes because I get so caught up in like new favorites that I forget what I used to love, and then I go back to it eventually. I also got a YSL lip balm. So this is called Volupte Tint in Balm in the shade number 1, Dream Me Nude, because I wanted to get like a colored lip balm because my lips are so dry. It's a very rare day. Like, I'm wearing a matte liquid lipstick today, but like it already feels really dry, and I kind of just end up taking it off, and I need to just put chapstick on. So this had good reviews. I was looking for like a nice, ooh, the packaging is gorgeous. Look how stunning, like so bougie. It just feels like, feels too expensive. Ooh, it looks really pretty though. This is like such a heavy packaging, it's kind of wild. So this is what the middle of the chapstick looks like. So it's nude, and it has like a pink little set of lips in the middle. It's actually really cute. So I'm really excited about that, just to get some hydration, but also like a little bit of color on the lips. I just like don't want to put this down. This feels really cool. So pretty with a little YSL on it. We love a bougie chapstick, right guys? Never again. Okay, so I did also buy a new foundation. I'll do like a review of it when we try all of this out. I'll save all of this aside for a get ready with me. So I bought the Lancome Tint Idol Ultra Wear in the shade 260 Bisque. This does have SPF 15, 24-hour wear and comfort, transfer resistant for all skin types, and it sounded so promising. I don't know if this is new. I might have found this on the new page. I just wanted to try a new foundation. The color looks nice. Ooh, ow, I just pinched my finger. My feet are asleep. So this is just what the packaging looks like. It's really simple. It's kind of like that foggy glass look. Let's see. Has a little pump applicator. color looks really nice though. Looks like it's gonna be good. Nice. Okay, so we'll try that out in that video. Oh, let's swatch this chapstick too and just see if there's like any color to it at all. Ooh, I can tell that's gonna be nice. Do you see how it's just like that sheer little pop of color, but it's like kind of glossy looking, feels hydrating. Okay, so the rest is skincare. I should wipe this off because I don't trust myself. So if you're curious about my skincare, since I'm on like an Accutane journey and all that jazz, I did do a video with all of my most recent skincare favorites, but to be honest, I'm out of almost all of it. I ran out of my toner, I ran out of my serum, all that stuff. So I kind of just picked, I ran out of my cleanser too. I ran out of everything kind of at the same time too, which just goes to show I was very like consistent with my products. Oh, my nose is running. But I don't know if it's like allergies still or what, but like allergy season is lingering. Okay, let's go ahead and start with the cleanser I got. So Sephora had like this green section, like clean and green or something. So I want to say I ordered these from there, but I could be wrong, but I think they were. So this is from Indie Lee. It's the Brightening Cleanser, Strengthen and Protect, grounded in nature, supported through science, inspired by life. So this must have been from that nature line here. So really big packaging here, kind of pretty with the little blue spot on the side. Yes, it is cruelty free and natural. So I love the word brightening in like any skincare products because I just want to, you know, brighten up my acne scars and hyperpigmentation. This packaging is super gorgeous though. It's like legit glass. Okay. It looks like thick too. Like when I turn it, it's like very gel consistency. I will review all this skincare and like if it makes it, if it like works out, you know, I'll do a skincare routine updated. I got a couple of the same products. Like I reordered this. I just wanted to like switch up a couple products because I just love to switch things up. But I did reorder this because this was one of my favorite products that I ran completely out of. It's the Boscia Saki Hydrating and Brightening Essence. So you'll probably remember this from previous videos. It looks like this. I love this stuff. I use it morning and night after I wash my face. So it's just an essence. It does absorb very well. It doesn't stay very wet on the skin. It like really absorbed and it made me feel hydrated. I definitely felt like it helped brighten after I finished a whole bottle morning and night. So it's really nice that you can put it on and just not feel like drowning in it. I love when products actually like absorb and I feel like they're doing what they need to do. So I always start with my cleanser, then I use this essence, and then I'll usually go in with, excuse me, a serum and a like morning or night cream or one or the other. So this stuff is great. It's safe for sensitive skin. I just take a few drops and pat it in. It's really, really nice and I'm repurchasing and it's expensive, so you know it's good. I also had run out of toner, so I bought a new toner. This one is from Caudalie. I've heard good things about this brand. This is their moisturizing toner. So just trying to get my moisture. I don't know how this is. It's supposed to be like soothing and good for the skin. So we'll try this out. We'll see how it is. I'm so excited. I love new skincare. And I have one last product. This was so expensive, but like it had so many good reviews. I'm like really hoping it works. Like I'm working so hard on getting rid of my acne. I'm like, I may as well just like invest in really good products to get my skin where I want. Like if I'm gonna go through all of this, I'm really hoping to have like the skin that I have been working so hard for by like fall. So this is from Sunday Riley. This is the Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. It deeply exfoliates the dull surface of skin for clarity, radiance, and younger looking skin. It visibly brightens age spots and discoloration, plumps fine lines and wrinkles in 3 minutes. So 100% of women said their skin felt smoother and more radiant, and said it was the most effective plumping product they've used. So I feel like it just does everything. When I was reading the reviews, you know, some people were like, this faded my acne scars in a week. This got rid of my wrinkles in minutes. I'm like, this sounds like a miracle product. Many people have recommended it to me. And it does say for sensitive skin, use as a mask, apply 1 to 3 pumps, leave it on for 15 minutes, and then rinse. And then if you don't have sensitive skin, you can just put it on as a leave-on treatment. So there are different options here. It's really high potency, and I'm really excited to see if it does anything helpful. So that is all I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was kind of random, but again, I will have more content for you when I get back from vacation. And if you're excited for me to try all these products out and to get ready with me, give this video video. Give this video a thumbs up so I know. Leave me a comment if you've tried any of these and let me know what is your favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much and I'll see you next time. Bye.